Hi, I'm Tony, and you're in Pop Pop's workshop. Today I'm going to talk about a little bit about hearing protection and, in my case, eye protection. It's very important to me. Just got the one, so I really need to do what I can to protect that. So I happened to get some new glasses, bifocals, figures, and I upgraded to the polycarbonate lenses for the extra precaution, or the extra protection rather. And as an extra precaution, I've bought a UVEX full face shield. Yeah, it's not sexy, but it's necessary. So when I'm working with things on the table saw, some hardwoods tend to chip and throw back more chips than others. I'm working on the planer, any of those things that might throw something or debris could be in the air. I'm going to wear this and keep those things from hitting me in the face, just as that extra precaution. So I recommend it. It's not that expensive. Got mine on Amazon. I can't remember how much I paid. It might have been 20 or 30 bucks, but that's 20 or 30 bucks well spent. So UVEX makes a good one. One of these days I'll upgrade to the trend model that's got its own built-in air filtration. That'll be handy too. So another thing that I've gotten is we don't want another impairment, so hearing protection. Got some isotunes, wonderful things. I've been trying them out in the shop, and I'm telling you, when I had these in, was not that long ago, James Hamilton of Stumpy Nubs did a video on music or audiobooks in the workplace. And I thought I'd test out that theory he put forth that, just try it, see if it's distracting. So I was actually doing some rips on the table saw, had the isotunes in. You can barely hear the saw with these things in. They're that good. So if you want, get some isotunes, guys. They're wonderful. But played some music from one of my YouTube lists, had that going, and it wasn't distracting. It was kind of calming, kept me calm, and I was able to just do my work and not have to worry about it. But again, hearing protection is very important, guys, especially in the shop. The last thing you need to do is finish a career in woodworking deaf. So get yourself some hearing protection. Could be simple foam plugs, could be earmuffs. But again, I didn't opt for the isotune earmuffs because if I'm wearing this, which I'm wearing this, I'm not going to be able to wear the earmuffs. It's just not going to fit in that setup. So that left me with in-ear protection, and the isotunes were the way to go. One day I'll upgrade to the wireless for sure. So, but if you need, get yourself some isotunes. I highly recommend them. Get yourself a face mask. Even if you've got both eyes, and you really don't want to take a chance, guys. So those are my picks for my safety gear currently. And remember, you can do this.